Quick, easy, and so good. You gotta try this. Like, subscribe, and stick around for more. Pitted dates. Sesame seeds. Rolled oats. Walnuts. Tahini. That's it, just a few simple ingredients. Let's get right into it and make this delicious treat. Toast the rolled oats until they're lightly golden and smell nutty. Now blend the toasted oats first, then toss in the walnuts and blend them together. Lightly heat the dates in a pan, no oil, just enough to soften them up a bit. We're adding everything in, one by one, and mixing it all together. First go the oats and walnuts. Then we pour in the tahini. Once the mixture cools down, take a bit, mine were about 20 grams each. Flatten it out, add any nut you like in the center, and shape it into a nice little ball with your hands. Pop them in the fridge for about 30 minutes so they can set nicely. At the end, I rolled half of them in sesame seeds, and the other half in cocoa powder. So simple, but so good. And that's it, easy, tasty, and made with love. If you liked it, show some love back, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next yummy adventure. Stay sweet, stay awesome.